Good morning! Today we will make a potentiometer, which is so-called variable resistor.
Logic DIY! Think, build and share.
For this project you will need a 220 ohm resistor, a bunch of alligator clips, a 9-volt battery and its connector, a PN2222 or 2N2222 transistor, one LED, Elmer's glue, and a piece of cardboard. Assemble the circuit like so. Pay attention to the connections of the transistor. Add a bunch of glue and try both probes at different points in the glue. As you can see, the brightness of your LEDs change according to how far from each other both probes are. The glue is not a very conductive material, but the transistor is able to read low voltages. Well, today you have learned how a variable resistor works. Thank you for watching.